Hello, everyone. Once again, this is Black Forest coming to you with another market analysis currency breakdown. We're going to be diving into the NZDUSD, also known as the Kiwi US dollar. But before we start to break down this chart and this currency pair, we have to state that this video is for educational purposes only. This is not financial advice, but we all know why you guys are here. You guys are here to find good, credible Forex content that can help improve your ability as a trader and help put some extra money in your pocket, especially in these troubling times, okay? So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive in. So before we break down what's technically the technical analysis of what's happening on the chart, let us talk about what is happening fundamentally with each currency, okay? So with the currencies, we'll talk about the Kiwi first, the NZD. The NZD is coming into this week, into this trading week as one of our weaker currencies. And this is just solely due to how bad the inflation is crushing the New Zealand economy, because at the beginning of the year, we've always, all of major first world nations around the world were dealing with some form of inflation, one and another. But what happened was the New Zealand government took a very active role in combating inflation at the beginning of the year and basically used up all their economic interventions that they could use to combat inflation now. So basically, we're in a position now that the inflation has to run its course. It has to run its course, and there's really nothing they could do without driving the economy into recession. So that's what's happening with the NZD. So it's coming into this trading week as one of our weaker currencies. Okay. Now with the USD, it's coming into our this trading week as one of our stronger currencies, but we got to take that with a grain of salt. We have a lot of different things that's going in the opposite negative direction of the USD. First and foremost, we have a lot more negative news and positive news coming about the USD, which that makes it slow down its trajectory of its strength that it's gained. Also, we have more. Also, we have rising gas prices, and with these rising gas prices, we're starting to see the USD starts to lose value as people start to spend more money at the gas pump and less money into the economy. Okay, and also last but not least is Wednesday we have CPI news coming out about the USD, and if the CPI news comes out negatively, then we could probably start to see that the loss of strength or stagnation of strength can actually turn into full blown weakness for the USD. And we can begin to see price turnover happening on many of the USD charts. Okay. So what are we expecting to see here? We're expecting to see some retracement, but the retracement on this particular chart may not be as aggressive unless the news starts to change up with the NZD and it actually starts to produce more positive news than actual negative news. So how far can it retrace? It can retrace as far as here, here, or possibly even here. Okay. Now, if the USD news on Wednesday comes out a lot more negative than positive, then we're definitely going to see a we're definitely going to see what we would call price turnover. But until then, we're looking at just some retrace. We're looking at buys are coming in, and how long will it buy for? It could buy up to here, here, or here before we start to have price turn over back to the fundamental long period short side. But if we start to get poor news happening with the with the USD to price turnover, we are going to see the long-term short sales turn into long-term buys. Okay. So if you guys enjoy our content, we ask that you please like, subscribe, and share. Subscribing to our YouTube channel will allow you to get notifications of updates every time we drop new Forex content. Also, we ask that you please like and share our videos. Liking and sharing our videos will allow us to push our content out there further in YouTube so we can continue to build our economy of profitable traders, because our goal is to build a community of profitable traders. Okay. Also, we ask that you guys please reach out to us either by comments or even through our links to our social medias and our email. The links to the social medias and emails in the description of every video. We ask that you guys reach out to us and let us know which market analysis videos that you guys do want to see, so we know how to best to accommodate and serve you. Okay, just either comment on any video that you guys watch with the chart that you want broken down, or reach out to us through our social media or through our email. The links to our social media email is listed in every video and description of every video, okay? And with that being said, happy trading.